Morning students, this is Muruganandam working as an assistant professor in mechanical engineering department on contract basis in Alappa Chettiar Government College of Engineering Technology, Karaikudi. In this video, I am going to discuss about the topic product life cycle from the subject computer aided design and manufacturing. First of all, in engineering practice, CAD/CAM technology has been utilized in different ways by different people. Some utilize it to produce engineering drawings and design documentations. Others may employ it as a visual tool by generating shared images and animated videos. A third group may use it to perform engineering analysis of some sort of geometric models such as finite element analysis. A fourth group may use it to perform process planning and to produce NC part programming. In order to evaluate the scope and definition of CAD/CAM technologies in an engineering environment and identify existing and future related tools, study of a typical product life cycle is necessary. Let's go to the presentation. Let us start the first unit, computer aided design. The syllabus for the first unit is given here. In this unit, we are going to discuss about product cycle, design process, CAD system architecture, computer graphics, 2D and 3D transformations, and visual realism. Textbooks and reference books for this subject is also given. Introduction. Designing. Designing is nothing but the creation of a new product or modification of the existing one based upon our thoughts and innovative skills. Computer aided design. Computer aided design is the technology concerned with the help of computer systems to assist in the creation, modification, analysis and optimization of a design. Main objective of this subject is to understand the CAD/CAM interface and part programming, and also the applications of computers in design process and transformation in computer graphics. Product life cycle or product cycle. Definition. The cycle through which the product goes from development to retirement is simply known as a product cycle or product life cycle. The product begins with a need which is identified based on customers and market demands. Because every customers are the heart of the company, any single requirement from the customer should be converted into design needs. The product goes through two main processes from idea inception to the finished products. The two main processes are design process and manufacturing process. Typical product life cycle is given here. The cycle begins with a design need which is collected from customers or market demands and ends with the shipping of the product to the customers or markets. Design process and the manufacturing process are the two main processes of the product life cycle. We can easily understand the flow of the cycle from this layout. Explanation of this layout is design process. Design process begins with a design need which is collected from the customers' requirements and market demands. Sub-processes of the design process are synthesis and analysis. Synthesis process. During synthesis process, the designer makes the part drawings in the form of sketches and layout drawings that shows the relationship among various product parts. Physical characteristics like size and shape of the product, functionality means mechanism of the product, feasibility study, tolerance and uniqueness of the product are all determined during synthesis process. We can also use CAD related softwares to create these sketches and drawings to get the advantages of time consumption, accuracy, easy editing, file saving, and also we can easily transfer the files from one format to another format with the help of CAD standards or simply hand drawn on paper. Analysis. In order to evaluate the performance of the expected product, more number of designs from synthesis process are selected for analysis, and the best one is selected based on optimization technique. An important aspect of analysis is the question that helps us to eliminate multiple design choices and help us to find the best solution to each problem. The outcome of the analysis is the design documentation in the form of engineering drawings for production purpose. Manufacturing process. Manufacturing is the process of converting the raw materials into finished product. Many types of production processes are there. We have studied many types of manufacturing processes in your previous semesters. Among them, we have to select the proper manufacturing method to produce the product in most efficient way. The manufacturing process begins with the process planning and ends with the actual product. Process planning is considered as the backbone of the manufacturing process since it attempts to determine the most suitable sequence in which the product is to be produced. Process planning is nothing but the flow chart of the production plan. Process planner. The one who is going to prepare process plan must be aware of the various aspects of manufacturing to plan properly. The planner typically works with the engineering drawings and may communicate with the design team because the designer may develop the design based on the customer's requirements. The requirements may vary from customer to customer. The process planner has to prepare the process plan to satisfy the design need. Otherwise, he can request changes in the design to fit manufacturing requirements. Outcome of the process planning is a production plan, tool procurement, materials order, and machine programming. Other special manufacturing needs such as design of jigs and fixtures or inspection gauges are planned in this production planning process. Nowadays, CNC machine tools are being used to produce the products instead of using conventional lathes. That's all about a product cycle. If you are having any doubts, please feel free to ask.